The Outreach Design Education Program, or ODE for short, is a set of interconnected programs that focus on engineering design for grades 6 through 12 students, specifically students from underrepresented minority groups or economically disadvantaged communities. We do this through a set of 3 interconnected activities, all of which are focused on engineering design. We offer a middle school hackathon event, which takes place in the spring each academic year, and a summer design camp. ODE Summer Design Camp serves multiple functions. Not only do we work with high school students, but we also use the summer program as an opportunity to prepare teachers, specifically local teachers, to teach engineering design to a broader population of students. We have had 2 teachers apply and join us, Ms. Jennifer David and Ms. Linda Lanier, and they have been with us for the summer, seeing the engineering design process in parallel with our high school students. So they get a chance to receive the materials for themselves, as well as to see what resonates with the students, what doesn't work, what are different sort of techniques that can be used to impart these concepts onto students, much like the ones that they would have in their broader classrooms. And the vision is that in the next academic year, with ongoing support from us, they will teach engineering design to a broader populace of high school and middle school students.
People try so hard to avoid problems, but for engineering, that's what you look for. Look for the problem, and I think the thing that I've learned here is to be able to identify the need and then start working on a design. I think that my ability to watch that happen really makes my teaching stronger. It's going to strengthen me because rather than answering the question, he gave them the opportunity to come up with the answers, the design. And so that was the part that I have most enjoyed.
Being in the same classroom with Dr. Kyle conducting the workshop with the high school students, they are the same age as my students. So I see, have an idea of how they take to it and how they work, and having the chance to move around, see how Dr. Kyle delivered the content and how the kids were responding to it, the questions they asked, the project that they're doing. I get an idea of a little bit of how I can bring the experience to my classroom.
I've had such a fantastic experience here. The first thought I had is, how do I get my 6th grade teachers? I teach 8th grade. How do I get my 6th grade teachers at this level? Because if I can get a student thinking this way early on in the process, by the time they get to me, they will already have that as part of their learning process.
I do believe that anything that can make me or any other teacher a better teacher definitely will benefit their students in the classroom. So this is just like, engineering design process is not just a single strategy. It's a whole way of thinking. It's a whole way of teaching. And any teacher at teaching any area, any topic, I believe would definitely benefit learning how to apply the engineering design process.